जी working with words. After adding the suffix, I have used these words in sentences of your own. Working with words. Fluffy. I saw fluffy clouds in the sky. Funny. Tom and Jerry is the funny cartoon series. Leafy. I like to eat leafy veggies. Sugary. Don't eat sugary food. Bendy. I use bendy straw to sip juice. So these words, these sentences are made for my side. You can change the words and sentences. You can make your own in a beautiful way. So the next one, add the suffix y to the following. You can see on the notebook. Add suffix y to the following: red, ready, R-A-R-R-A-D-D-Y, ready. Run, runny, R-U-N-N-Y, runny. Shade, shady. Close, इसका आप नहीं बन सकता, can't be changed as an adjective, so इसमें आपने क्रॉस लगा देना है. Shout, इस पर भी क्रॉस लगा देना है. Thorn, thorny. Wait, weighty. Cold, it cannot be changed. Snow, snowy. S-N-O-W-Y. Sun, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. So it will be done on the books. So the next topic is abbreviation. Abbreviation actually is the short form of writing something. Usually only important word have their abbreviations, like BOA. Bachelors of Art is BA. Masters of Science it's MSc. Members of Parliament MP. School Living Certificate SLC. Trade Union TU. Southeast ST. His Majesty, Her Majesty, HM, Master of Arts, MA, Doctor of Medicine, MD, Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Bachelor of Education, B.Ed. So write the short form contraction. The difference between abbreviation and contraction is that abbreviation is short form of verb, any word, and only specific words have specific short forms. And contraction is the short form of helping verb, like is, am, are, was, were, has, have. So I am, cannot, can't, they are, they be. The way like this you will write and read. So they have done for you in the same way. Abbreviation, the next page after writing the sentences on the notebook. In the notebook, next page you will write abbreviation, and abbreviation is a short form of writing something. Usually the important word have their initial letter in abbreviations. Example, Bachelors of Art, BA. Write abbreviation of the following: Masters of Science, MSc. Here I want to mention this, these are in jumbled form. As your books ABC, this number is different, so be careful in writing. The number on the book given is different, and the number on the notebook which I have written, due to our reason, it is different. So you should be careful in writing the contraction and abbreviation. So these are the abbreviation: Masters of Science, MSc, Member of Parliament, MP, His Her Majesty, HM, Master of Arts, MA. School Living Certificate, SLC, Doctor of Medicine, MD, Trade Union, TU, Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Southeast, SE, Bachelor of Education, B.Ed. So the next is contraction. Write the short form of contraction. I am. You will write the short form of I am like this: am, cannot, can't, they are, there. We have not, haven't, we are, we're, they have, they will, we will not, won't, shall not, shan't, it is, it's, I would, I'd, she will, she'll. You will write them and learn them as well, so that it may be clear wherever it may be written in the sometime in the conversation. It may be written in the same form, same form, and you will make it understand that this is the contraction and these are the abbreviation. Remember these two things in this chapter you have learned. Learning about the language, use these words in sentences of your own. If you can see at the page number 14. At the page number 14 it's written, use these words in sentences of your own. Learning about the language. Use these words in sentences of your own, once as a noun and once as a verb. So first I have used these words in sentences of my own as a noun. Words, sentences. Line, draw straight line. Surface, water keeps its surface plain. Water, the water is gushing from the jar. Sense, I have good sense of humor. Shape, the earth is round in shape. Taste, the taste of sugar is sweet. Swim, I like to swim. Now you will write as a verb, and you will write like this, and you will make your sentences of your own. I have shown the pattern to you. In the same way, your work should be looking so tidy. The next and the last part of the chapter, that is composition. Let's see what's the composition and what to do with it. Composition is actually the creative writing. You will have to write a paragraph about where the rider might have been going, what work did he have, who was going to see, did anything happen to him. Actually, this is the imaginary work, so you can write your own whatsoever you want, whatsoever you is thinking about this poem, and it's just only your thoughts and your creation. Write a beautiful paragraph and draw something if you can too. This is the creative writing. This was all about the chapter 2, stopping by woods on the snowy evening. Inshallah, in the next chapter, next lesson, inshallah, we will learn our third lecture of the assignment, and inshallah you will write and send it me to check. Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.